Okay, there. This time she actually started up. And then once she settles into a nice idle, fuel gauge is working, temperature gauge is working, voltage is low, still not charging. Stereo, actually,
Walk off my
seems to work. Window. Windows sort of work. This is where things are interesting. A little bit of a mess, but not much. Otherwise, she's running fairly smoothly. New alternator tensioner bracket works like a dream. There's power there to get up and run. However, the brakes are locked up on all but one wheel. New fuel pump setup I had to go to. But while the return line is just rubber hose, high pressure line here goes up at a 90-degree angle, one-way check valve. I could not get these fittings off, so this is what I had to do. Again, less than ideal, but it works. Oh, this connector does not want to stay, but again, fine, all I can do. I made a new ground bus that runs down to there and connects to the horn, so that way the fuel gauge actually grounds out. I'm still working on getting the paint off the front. Lighting is intermittent. This wheel is also stuck. This one spins just like it should. Go figure. 1 out of 3 wheels roll. She's idling at just under 900 RPM, a little bit high, but all in all, I'm not displeased. But that's where I'm at. Now let's see. Will she start again after I cut her off? Yep. Okay, that's at least one thing I'm doing right. Little by little, she's getting there.